Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix unable to connect to Fortnite service. Please try again later. So how to fix this type of error? Let's start. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's get started. Okay guys, first of all, open a command prompt and click on a right click and run as administrator. Okay guys, after that, firstly enter a ipconfig /flash DNS and enter the button. So after that, once again type ipconfig /release. Okay guys, after that finally type ipconfig /renew. Okay guys, after that I'm sure that your problem has been fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. Okay, now done it. So you can try a second method. The second method is that open a network sharing centers and go to your local area connections and select a adapter which is used to connect your internet. Okay guys, after that open up properties and go to your internet protocol version 4, double click and open it. Now you can see that at this time I used DNS servers 4.2.2.3 and 4.2.2.4. Now it's select obtain DNS servers address automatically, so click on it and click on the OK button. Okay guys, after doing this step, I'm sure that your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.